back to my channel. Today I'm celebrating 10 years of my channel. My channel started out as a short video in response to a pupil's question on the then equivalent to Google Classroom. They were studying for their prelim and finding the mass-to-mass calculations difficult. It was a hard question to answer via text alone, so I quickly filmed a video with my partner holding my phone over my shoulders as I wrote out the answer, and my channel was born. I was excited to reach 1,000 views in the first few months of my channel. I still get excited to see how videos do now. I could never have imagined where my channel would go with over 14,000 subscribers and over 2 million views now. I really appreciate all the help and support that everyone has given me over the years. Going into 2025, I'm going to be filming some new videos and updating old videos. Please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. Let's have a look at the changes to my channel over the last 10 years. Bye for now!
Propane is C3, H8. It's burning in oxygen, which is O2. Remember, that's a diatomic molecule.
To calculate the energy released when burning fuels, you will be using the E equals negative Cm delta T equation. If you're at higher, you'll be using this per mole. The first measurement that you need to take is the mass of the spinet burner at the start of the experiment.